So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn some operations of Q. Okay, so Q, uh, mm, I mean Q node size. Okay, a Q doesn't have size, so called a no size. Okay, so here I need to create one class. Class equals to Q. Okay, and one by one we are going to perform all operations. Okay, so def, this is the constructor. In it I need to pass self, and after that I need to create self dot item equals to empty. This is the empty list that we can store items of Q. So this is the df. This is for printing self. So here value equals to str. Value str x for x in self dot item. For x in self dot items. Okay, now return. Okay, so this is used for get the uh, element from the stack, and this is used for printing purpose. And after that I need to create define another function for check if Q is empty or not. So in this is for empty. uh, df is empty Okay, so here I need to pass self. After that I need to return. I need self dot items equals to list, empty list. If Now I can return true. Else return false. In queue means the element want to enter from the back. Self.item.appends values. Now I need to return. Okay, so self.item.append the value. So return element interest inserted at end. Okay, so Dequeue element removed from the front. Now again I need to define peak. Peak are used to return top element from the queue without removing it. Okay. else it is written self dot items. Zero items because at end of zero we need, I mean at end of zero we have first element, okay. And in delete df delete self self dot items equals to none. So guys, I need to fix here because it's not equal to this is a if self dot item equals to empty list. Okay, so this is our function for the empty queue. Okay, so here you can see I have already created object custom and class equals to queue. Okay, so this is the object of class queue. So I am going to into elements one by one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I mean entering from backside these items in a row. Sorry, these items entering from the backside 1, 2, 3. Okay, and print custom.queue. So I need to run this code. So here you can see uh, one element is left here. Okay. Okay, bye bye guys. Take care. These are the all operation of queue. This is the class, and this is the empty list that we store all queue here. This is for print, and this is for empty that queue is empty or not. This is a entering element from the back, and this is dequeue. Dequeue means if element removed from the front. Okay, and this is a peak. This is used to get front, I mean element from the head. Okay, this is for delete. Bye bye, take care, see you.